In today's video, we're going to build this strange looking jig that does something pretty amazing. This is a chairmaker's dream. This was invented and designed by my friend Mike Taylor, and he agreed to let me show you guys. Let's get to this build. This is a cool one. I'm sure some of you are still questioning what the heck we just did. We built an alignment jig. So I'm going to need you to pretend that this is a chair, and these are two legs coming up from the chair, and I want to drill a stretcher across here perfectly aligned. This will allow us to do that. The screw holds it in place on our mark. Now I can align it up with the other mark on their other side and then drill that pole position. Now with this hole done, the cone shape goes right inside of there, and these two little wings right here can be used to add a rubber band or a bungee. It keeps us centered out in this hole, so all I have to do is come back and drill the other side, and that keeps us perfectly aligned. Just like that, we have a perfectly aligned hole, a chairmaker's dream. Now granted, this was a pretty quick and dirty rough setup, but this works fantastic. If you didn't want to do a through tenon and you still had a really drastic pitch on your tenon, you could still use an F-style bit, get it started, and then replace it with something like a Forstner or a Woodall bit. And that would get you your flat bottom angled hole that's perfectly aligned for chair stretchers. There's a handful of other things that this would be good for as well. But I have to tell you, I've built thousands of rustic chairs over the years, and I wish like crazy I would have had this set up when I was doing it. This is awesome. Of course, it also works for much steeper angles if you want to get crazy. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this build and this really cool alignment jig designed by Mike Taylor. Just absolutely one of those things I wish I would have thought of. Mike, great job. We'll definitely be using this a lot in our chair making and some other cool kind of artistic projects as well. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you see when our videos come up, and we'll see you in the next video.